make sure that they are all in a common, they all have a common base, okay? So here you have log 10 here, you have log 10 here, but you have 2 here, okay? And the properties of log, one properties of log is when you have, one is the same as what? Log of what? A number to the same base. So if the number is 10, it has the same base. But now we have 2, okay? So since we have 2, it becomes 2 log 10, 10, right? So now you move forward to write what? Log 10 5x plus 2 minus log 10x minus 1, which is equal to what? 2 log 10, 10. But when you get to this side, you know for the second move of log, when the log is subtracting from each other, you divide them when you bring them together. So since they are divided, two separate logs are divided. If you now come and have a common log like this, it becomes a division. So it becomes what? 5x plus 2 over x minus 1. Okay, so now this side is what? 2 log 10, 10. But now you can bring the 2 which is in front of the log 10, 10 up. It's also a property of log. So now we have what? Log 10, 10 squared. Now, here we have a common base of log 10 and log 10 here. So we can divide both sides by log 10. So now we have what? 5x plus 2 over x minus 1, which is equal to 10 squared. Now when you get to this side, you can cross multiple. You can cross multiple. So now we have what? 5x plus 2, which is equal to 10 squared is 100. So we have 100x minus 1. So now here we can group like this. So all the x's, all the ones with variables on one side and the numbers at the other side. So now we have what? 5x, 100x here goes to the other side, becomes minus 100x. And we have what? Minus 100 here, and 2 goes to the other side and becomes minus 2. So now in total we have minus 95x minus 102. So now we divide both sides by 95. And now our x is equal to 102 over 95. Very easy, right? Good. So keep on subscribing, like more questions ahead. Thank you so much.